Tutu, what is happening?
I'm being like this and in my bag.
So you're all ready to go and Daddy has come. So are you happy?
Yes,
How happy are you?
good.
Good. You were saying Daddy come home. So he came home. Give kissy. Jaldi se. Oh. So you going to the class?
Yes.
Okay, so you go to the class and come back soon. I'll see
With
you.
Mama I'm going.
Okay, you go with Mama.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Can, but you just gave it to me. Be careful. Oh no! It's the best stand badge that you made for me. This is yours. Look, the best son. What do you want to do with it? Oh,
Do
what?
you like also?
This also I should wear. How many badges will I wear? Oh no! You. I want this. No. You take this one. You take this one. You take this one.
No,
Yes,
don't like that.
So, all right. Do you want this? Wait.
No.
Wait. I'll give it to you. So यही होता है खुद बैच दे के खुद ही उसके लिए इतना चिल्ला रहे हैं ये लीजिए. So that's how I'm celebrating my Father's Day with this little munchkin who is doing so much stuff. And निशा और काविश ने मिलके ये सुंदर सुंदर चीज़ें मेरे लिए बनाई. Best son, best dad. और ये कुछ फाड़ रहे हैं. तो आज Father's Day के दिन आप लोग अपने घर पे सेलिब्रेट कीजिए. अपने dads को I love you बोलिए and spend time with them. And yeah, so I think I should just show quickly before ये मेरे सारे गिफ्ट ही फाड़ दे जो खुद ही बनाए हैं. So then he had made something like this with his hands. And okay, I love you this much. Okay. What is that? You can't do that, Kavish. That's dangerous. And then Kavish had made this. Look. मेरे शू का एक उन्होंने आउटलाइन किया. उसके बाद अब काविश के पैर का एक फुटप्रिंट लिया एंड उसमें लिखा है वॉकिंग इन योर फुटस्टेप्स. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट एवरी चाइल्ड डज, है ना. यू ट्राई एंड फॉलो द फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, योर डैड्स. ओके, नाउ दिस लुक्स डेंजरस. तो बस यही 2-3 चीज़ें थी और इसके अलावा कुछ और मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है क्योंकि काविश ने कहीं फेंक दिया है. So please go and enjoy the day with your dads, and I love you, Dad, my dad. And also so many great things happening today for UniDad also, the universe of dads. And आज official launch हुआ हमारे लोगों का and हमने आज बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी करी. So please go ahead, dads, celebrate the community, come join it. And बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें उस पर करनी है, so please come. ऐसे भी करनी है, ऐसे भी करनी है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही है. नहीं, क्या हो क्या रहा है? नहीं, क्या हो रहा है? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.